very great sage. He wrote a book and he gave the direction to all the yoga through the Patanjali Yogasutras, one book. There he mentioned about the asana, how the asana should be there. Asana should be there. Anyone knows how the asana should be there? Patanjali sage, what did he say? He only created 8 parts of the yoga, 8 limbs. Yama, Niyama, Asana, what is Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. These 8 parts. Wonderful, claps. So 8 parts of yoga. So first thing is Yama, Niyama, about the rules of your body, rules of the society. Okay, that's the reason I asked. Sincerity should be there. So not to. That's the reason I asked you to sit on the ground. When your body is supporting, then we need to sit on the ground. Otherwise, sitting on the chair is, you need to be comfortable. Then the third point he mentioned about the asana, sthira sukhasana. What is that? Everybody repeat. That means stable, comfortable posture. So that is the secret to all the energies in the universe. When you are sitting without any movement, then for half an hour or 1 hour, especially anywhere you can sit or chair, or especially if you are sitting down, little bit more, sitting on chair also good. Wherever you are sitting, sit without any movement. That's all. That's the formula. Okay? Shall we implement it for the next, up to currently what this time is approximately 5 at the time? 5:46. 5:40. So another 1 hour 20 minutes till 7 o'clock. Everybody is here for till 7 o'clock, right? Yeah. Anybody is going, need to go before that? 7 o'clock. Very good. So till 7 o'clock, 1 hour 20 minutes. How many of you can sit without any movement for 1 hour 20 minutes? Sir, yeah, 2 people, 3 people can sit. Okay. So very good. Claps to the 3 people. So, of course, sometimes claps will be there, hands movement, sometimes head movement is okay. But otherwise, shoulders onwards till the legs, as much as possible, without any movement. And also, but what about if I get pains? We are sitting down, right? So, sir is looking back and, oh, 3 people, okay, they are all sitting on chairs, it's okay. So, whenever you wanted to move, I gave one exception. The exception is, whenever you wanted to move, first you need to smile and slow movement. Slow movement, adjusting is okay. That's okay. Exception is okay. Smile and slow movement. Okay? But otherwise, not at all any movement. Any pain is there? Smile and slowly adjust yourself. Otherwise, you need to stand up and sit on the chair. That's also okay. But no other movements, no random movements. So we are using 15% only daily. What we do not use, slowly, the power will be reduced. The human beings, whatever you do not use, it loses the power, right? We have vital parts of our body is our lungs. We just need to utilize it, the percentage little bit. So instead of 15%, we take only little bit breath, little bit. Instead of that, little bit deeply. Deep breath always gives you more energy. Today you came here. Smile and movement. Okay, Nana? Okay, very good. Best thing to learn is deep breathing throughout the day. As much you use, the more the power you will be getting. So, instead of 15% lung capacity using, we use at least double, 30% or 60%. 60% also. Let me make sound. This is normally 15%. Instead of that, 30%. 60% is this is comfortable. 80% is this is 80. 100 is if you do hands like this, then only 100 will come. So we do not do that. After 60 is comfortable. Clear? Very good.